This is our next chapter, that is 11th chapter, and the chapter name is triangles and parallel lines. Okay. And first, what do you mean by a triangle, children? What do you
Triangle means means 3, ma'am. Angle
A
means
closed figure with 3 line segments.
Yeah. It's a
ma'am, triangle is nothing but an angle.
angle. No.
A polygon made up of 3
Ma'am.
lines.
Yes, a polygon which
And
is
polygon
of
made up of 3
three-sided
sides.
figure. A polygon is not a polygon which is of three-sided figure. That is called the triangle. And triangle will have how many vertices, how many edges, and how many sides?
Ma'am, sides are 3.
3.
Ma'am,
Sides are
angles
3,
are all
vertices
3 only,
are
ma'am.
Okay.
All 3, ma'am.
3.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Good
vertices
morning,
are
sir.
3.
What do you mean by a polygon, children? First of all, say me, what do you mean by a polygon?
Ma'am, a polygon means closed.
Ma'am, a polygon is a
Ma'am, polygon is a
closed
closed
figure.
figure.
Yeah, polygon is a closed figure with the straight lines. Okay, polygon is a closed figure with some straight lines. And coming to this triangle, triangle is also a polygon because it's a closed figure, right? Polygons are closed figures. Here triangle is a polygon where it has 3 sides. Okay, I think this is a polygon. This is a triangle. It's a closed figure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So triangle is nothing but a
Ma'am,
polygon.
any shape which is closed is called a polygon.
Which is the polygon formed with the least number of sides?
Ma'am, triangle.
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 Is a polygon which is
Triangle.
formed with the least number of sides. Okay, and I think with the two lines, I cannot form any closed figure, right? If I
Yes,
take
ma'am,
these
because
two
that
sides,
will not be
I
closed.
No,
cannot
ma'am.
form a closed figure. So minimum there should be 3 sides. There should be 3
Three
sides.
sides.
Then only we can form a polygon which will have. So here is a triangle which is formed with 3 sides, and triangle will have 3 vertices. Vertices means where the 2 sides meet with a common point.
Ma'am, edge. Ma'am, edge of a triangle.
Yeah. So they start with they two meet at one common point. So these 2 sides meeting at this common point. So these common points where the sides are meeting, they are called the vertices. Vertex means singular, vertices means plural.
Plural.
And here it have how many? Suppose I am naming this triangle, and the name of the triangle I am naming it as ABC with 3 capital letters. And here, so what are the sides, children?
Ma'am, 3 sides, ma'am.
Ma'am, 3
What are
sides.
those?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, right. Ma'am, right. Ma'am, right. BC, ma'am,
Line
right.
AB, line BC,
C.
Ma'am, triangle CA.
What are the vertices?
vertices are A, C, B.
A,
ABC, ma'am.
B,
ABC.
C.
Ma'am, ABC.
Now, what are the angles, children? I think you can find one angle formed here.
Ma'am, there are 3 angles, ma'am.
Ma'am, there are 3 angles.
And
Ma'am,
here is-
Archit, we have to write this in classwork.
Please keep quiet. I did not ask anything to write. I just asked you to
Ma'am,
listen.
triangles have all those varieties 3 only, ma'am.
Yeah. See how many sides it will have and how many vertices it will have. That many that the angles also will be of the same number. Okay. Now here, what do you mean by angle, children? What do you mean by angle?
It means suppose we take a book. Now this is the joint, ma'am. So that is the angle.
Okay.
Having
Now,
ma'am,
two
which
rays.
means that helps
See
them
here.
to
Please wait. Two rays, when they start, when they both of them have the same initial point, that is the same starting point, the figure formed by the 2 rays having the same starting point, then such a figure is called as an angle. Now see,
Ma'am, for example,
this is one ray
Ma'am, this
Ma'am,
is
say
an
Krishi,
angle.
Yes, yes.
Krishi to mute, ma'am.
Now I'm going to draw one more ray here. One more ray. And both of them have the same starting point. Initial means starting point, children. Do they have
Yes,
same
So
starting
which have
point?
one
Suppose
point is
Yes,
called
ma'am, they have
angle.
same
Yes, ma'am.
initial
as
point.
A, B, and here I am naming it as X. So AB is one ray, AX is the another ray. Both the rays having the same initial, that is the starting point A. So the gap which is formed between these two rays, then that is called the angle, and this figure is called the this is figure represents us to show the
Ma'am, the
angle
angle is
between the
obtuse
two
and
rays.
acute and
Now, so the number of here the number of angles are in the triangle is also
Ma'am,
Three.
3, ma'am.
3 angles. And where are the angles forming, children? The
And
angles
A,
are
B,
formed at
C.
point A. So angle A, next one.
Angle A, angle B,
angle
angle
C.
C.
And you also have learned, you also know how to name the angle properly, right? Wherever the angle is forming, that particular alphabet we take in the middle. Now suppose I want to show angle
Ma'am,
A.
the initial
So
point.
how do you write this? Name it properly.
Ma'am, angle
Or B.
is in
Ma'am, angle
CAB,
CAB.
angle BAC, angle
No.
CAB.
Angle
And-
BAC. Next.
angle BAC, angle
Ma'am.
ABC, angle
Ma'am.
CBA.
Ma'am, angle BCA. Ma'am, angle BCA.
Yes.
Angle BCA.
Or you can also
Or
write it as,
ACB.
Ma'am, angle ACB.
and this one, how can you even another way you to write?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, CAB.
Ma'am, CAB.
Gap.
Ma'am,
Angle gap.
CAB. Ma'am,
Okay.
CAB.
Okay. I think this is clear for you till here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, after knowing
Ma'am,
about the triangle, now we are going to learn about what is the interior of the triangle as well as the exterior part of the triangle. Shall we erase this? Any yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Down.
Ma'am, means the triangle have three sides. That's why we are getting 6 names.
No.
No, ma'am, for the angles.
Yeah, it has, you can name the angle in either of the way. See, suppose when you go with the line segment, you will be naming AB or BA. Both are same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In the same way, you are naming the, you are showing that angle is formed at this particular vertex, at this particular corner. So you can name in this way or in this way. The only the thing is that the main focus is the particular where the angle is formed, that particular alphabet should be in the middle.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you understand now? I can write CAB or BAC.
Yes,
Both mean that the angle is formed at point A.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, any more
Ma'am, I
doubts?
have a doubt. Ma'am, I have.
Now,
Ma'am, means now triangle has 3 sides, so that's why if we double it 6, no ma'am, so it has 6 sides. If we take square, it has 4 sides, no ma'am. Is that like that or not?
come again. Triangle has 3 sides. Oh, that's why.
Ma'am, it has 3 angles, no ma'am.
Yeah.
So it
Square
has
also.
6 names. It has 6 names.
Not 6 names. 6 names not. We are using the
Yes, ma'am.
other form. 3 names only. But we are using that name in the other way. We are showing it. Ultimately, it means the same. The angle is at A only in both the cases.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next, we are going with the interior part of the triangle.
Ma'am, interior means inside the triangle and
Yeah.
exterior means outside of the triangle and boundary means on the outline of the triangle.
Interior means in, exterior means out.
And one more thing, children, when we are representing the name of the triangle, you can write it as triangle ABC or you can also write, instead of writing this spelling, you can also write it as figure, triangle. Please keep on mute. Please keep on mute. Who is that? Rishika. Now see here. Instead of writing the spelling and this alphabets, we can also use the symbol of the triangle also to represent the name of the triangle. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, interior of the triangle. Interior means the name itself is saying, suppose I am taking here P, Q, R, and here I am taking it as T.
Ma'am, interior of the triangle is
Yeah.
The area, the region which is
the part of the plane which is inside the triangle is called the interior of the triangle. And here, what are the points which are lying interior of the triangle, inside the triangle? What is the
Interior means point L only, ma'am.
yeah, point which is lying inside the triangle, inside region it is lying. And here point L is interior of triangle. Next, what are the points which are lying exterior of the triangle? No. No.
Point N only, ma'am. Only point N. Ma'am, only point N. Ma'am, only point N is the exterior.
Exterior point. Only this is
Ma'am,
the
N is exterior point N.
exterior point. And this is
on
the
the boundary means
interior point.
Ma'am, L is the interior point and P, T, Q are
Yeah.
also.
And these are the
Exterior.
points which are lying on the
Boundary.
figure.
boundary means T.
On the figure.
point
Tanvi, are you understanding what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot say these PQR because they are lying on the figure. This is lying completely inside the figure. This point is lying completely outside the figure. Children, did you all understand?
Ma'am,
Point T is on the boundary of triangle PQR.
What we call if it is lying on the figure?
On the figure only. On the figure only, we are saying. Direct.
Ma'am,
T is
Ma'am,
on the
we say it as boundary on the figure, right? I mean, say it on boundary. We say if it is lying on the figure means we say
See,
boundary on the
boundary
figure.
means these are the points which are showing the boundary.
Ma'am, the T is lied on the PQR triangle.
Yeah, T also is lying on. T also is lying on the figure. T is
Okay.
also lying on the figure only. So point P, point Q, point R, and point T. All these 4 points are lying on the figure. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next.
Ma'am, the point which is inside the figure, it is interior, which is outside, it's exterior.
Yeah, inside means interior, outside means exterior. On the figure means lying on the figure only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We should underline the main points, ma'am.
Next, I would like to explain you about the exterior angle of the triangle. Now I'm going to explain about exterior angle of the triangle. See here, I'm using triangle symbol instead of writing the spelling. You can use in this way also, okay? Now see here, I think you can find the triangle PQR, and you can also observe that the line segment PR is extending towards S as a ray. Do you agree that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See here, the line segment PR, that is the base of this triangle. The line segment PR is extending towards R as a point towards S. So can you call PS as a ray now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
PS
ma'am.
is a ray. And here you can observe. Now, can you say me how many angles can you see?
Between R came no ma'am, point R, so it is known as R S. No,
You
ma'am.
can say RS also. You can say PS, ray PS. You can say ray RS. You can say in either of the way. Okay.
Ma'am, we can also say QRS.
How can you say QRS?
Ma'am,
It is
that's
not
an
a ray.
angle, ma'am.
No, ma'am,
What's an angle?
RQS. RQS, ma'am.
Who is that?
Ma'am,
Monisha.
triangle and angle are different, no, ma'am?
Q
No?
is not Q is
triangle.
not in the point of
QRS
the
is
ray.
going to become an angle,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Please, all of you keep quiet. Please, all of you keep quiet. Now see here.
Ma'am,
Now what I'm going to say is, which is the, now you can find, how many angles can you find? Can you see that angle is formed near P?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
One more angle, say me what is the second angle?
Q, ma'am. Q,
No,
ma'am.
Here Q also.
angle
angle.
I
Next,
mean R also.
yes.
R.
And
Ma'am, Q, but S cannot be formed.
I can also say this is one more angle, because
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is
R is
also,
an angle.
this is also, if I keep on extending,
Yes, ma'am. QRS, ma'am. It's
ray,
a obtuse angle, ma'am.
ray
It
QR
forms an
and
obtuse
ray
angle.
RS, they are having the same initial starting point, so that the angle is formed here. Can I say that angle is also formed here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now say me, what are the angles? What are the interior angles of triangle PQR?
Ma'am, angle R, angle Q.
Angle P, angle Q.
Q.
Ma'am, interior.
Or you can say angle
See
Q
here,
or angle
interior
R,
angles. Please keep quiet for a while. Please
RPQ.
keep quiet for a while. Now see here, interior angles means the angles which are inside the figure. So I think one is the angle P. I can write it as angle
Yes, ma'am.
QPR. Okay.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
more angle PQR.
Yes, ma'am. PQR.
R
And
angle P are
QRS. QRP. QRP.
PRQ. PRQ.
Okay. You
PRQ.
can go PR, QR, QRP, both are same. Both are same. Now, these three are the interior angles. Now, what is the exterior angle of this figure?
Ma'am, QRS. QRS, ma'am. Ma'am, QRS.
It's very clear that this angle
Angle
is out of the
QRS,
figure.
ma'am.
It is outside the figure. So, what is the name of that angle? You can name it
Angle
as
QRS.
R and S, ma'am.
Angle QRS.
or SRQ. Both are same.
Yes, ma'am. Both are
QRS or SRQ.
SRQ.
That means the angle is formed at point R. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will learn that these two angles, angle QPR and angle PQR. The angles QPR and PQR are called the interior angles of this exterior angle. Now see here. Can I say these two are the interior angles for this opposite interior angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Exterior
Opposite-
angles are
opposite of
above the
interior
figure
is
and the
exterior, so
interior
I
angles are
For this, which are the two opposite angles? This is a Q is
QP.
opposite to R and P
QP.
is also opposite to R, right?
QPR. Ma'am, Q and P, ma'am. QPR.
So that means, can I say these two are the interior opposite angles for this exterior angle?
Yes, ma'am, you can say.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Ma'am, in any way that can be opposite of that.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Ma'am, once can you explain?
See here, what I'm saying is, can you say these two? These two are the opposite. Are these two opposite angles of angular?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am.
can you say R has both angles? R has one interior angle. R also has one exterior angle.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
not?
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Yes,
R is countable this side. R is also countable towards its
R
exterior
is
side.
countable towards exterior and the interior of the given
So,
figure.
that means now can I say R, this P and Q, angle P and angle Q are the interior angles of angle R?
Yes, ma'am.
Opposite
Yes.
interior angles? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now see here, angle PRQ plus angle QRP. Sorry, QRS. See here, I am taking this angle, children. Only this part I am taking. QRP. This is I think you are able to see this figure. I have differentiated triangle only. This is the triangle only. So can I say here is the angle it is formed and this is also the
Yes,
angle.
ma'am.
When I
Oh,
add
yes,
these two angles, what will be its length? Sorry, what will be
Ma'am,
its length?
180 degrees. Ma'am, 180 degrees.
Do you all agree with that? Do you all
Yes,
agree
ma'am.
with that?
Because,
Yes, ma'am.
180
ma'am,
degrees
because
Yes,
comes
ma'am.
under what is the name of 180
straight
degrees
angle.
angle?
A straight angle.
Straight angle.
Straight angle.
Very
I'm
good.
straight
It's a,
angle.
it's a straight angle. So when I add these two angles, angle PRQ and plus
Angle QRS is equal to 180 degrees.
QRS. Can I say it is equal to 180?
180 degrees. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So 180 degrees is nothing but a straight angle.
Straight angle.
So did you all understand till here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
All
one
of
more.
you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
All
ma'am.
angles of a triangle will add up to be 180 degrees, right, ma'am?
All?
Ma'am, all angles of a triangle
Yeah,
will add
that,
up to
that is the different case. That is the different case. All the interior, when you sum up all the three interior angles
And
of a triangle,
those are
they are
equilateral
equal to
triangles.
180 degrees. And that is one case. Here what I am saying is the two angles which is interior and which is exterior towards this point. When we add
Ma'am,
this,
like we'll
we are
take,
getting
ma'am,
straight angle.
ma'am, like we'll take PRQ is 35 degrees and
Ma'am, can you once again
QRS
say
is
that rectangle?
140 degrees.
Karthik, please wait now.
Karthik, mute.
What, Jayshni?
Ma'am, can you once again say the topic I have disconnected?
See, sorry, children. See, one more thing I want to say you. The next thing, what I'm going to explain you is about altitude and median.
What to? Can you repeat again? Altitude and
Altitude and median.
ma'am, these two are new for us. ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next topic is about
Altitude and
altitude.
median.
Okay. What is an altitude? Altitude is nothing. I think you know about what is a perpendicular line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Perpendicular. Okay. Perpendicular line will make 90 degrees angle when it meet it.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it not?
Yes,
And what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
symbol of perpendicular line, children? This is the symbol of perpendicular line, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Inverted
Yes,
T,
ma'am.
like where it will make
Yes, ma'am.
Two 90 degrees angles on it.
290 degrees, ma'am.
That is an 180
Both
degrees.
sides.
Ah, 90 plus 90 is 180. Okay. Next, see here. Here altitude means it is the perpendicular. Okay. Perpendicular drawn from, suppose I am taking one triangle here. And I am naming this triangle as L, M, N. With 3 capital letters, I am naming this triangle. Triangle LMN. The perpendicular drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the opposite side is called an altitude. Suppose I am going to start drawing the perpendicular line starting from point L, okay, of this vertex, and joining to its opposite side. Which is the opposite side for this vertex, children?
N.
N, ma'am. N.
M and
L
N.
is opposite to L is MN.
Ma'am,
M
line
and N.
segment MN.
is
Line segment
opposite
MN.
side for
Oh, ma'am,
vertex L.
Understood, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, line
the
segment MN.
perpendicular drawn from vertex, from one vertex to its opposite side, then that is called an altitude. Did you all understand altitude?
Altitude
Ma'am,
is
not
nothing but
understood,
like
ma'am.
a
Once again.
perpendicular line, ma'am.
Yeah, this is called the altitude.
Ma'am, the
Okay.
line
Ma'am,
which is drawn, ma'am.
Ma'am, the line which is dividing a
Yeah, this is called
triangle,
the,
ma'am.
Ma'am, like line of
Ma'am, the
symmetry.
line which is dividing, ma'am.
yeah,
Ma'am, the line which
the
is
line
dividing
which
the
is
figure is called
dividing the
altitude.
triangle. Okay, the line which is dividing the triangle, this line what I'm showing here, I have pointed it.
Ma'am,
in-
it's like a line of symmetry, ma'am.
But it's not line of symmetry.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm
Not
saying
a
that.
line of symmetry,
You
but
cannot
it is
say,
like
please keep quiet. You cannot say this as a line of symmetry. Why? Because line of symmetry will divide the figure into two identical figures.
Ma'am,
But
this
here I'm
won't.
not showing that this and this triangle are same in their lengths and all. I'm not saying that.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just saying that this is dividing the triangle. That's it. So this line, the line which is drawn, the perpendicular line drawn from one vertex to its opposite side is called an
Ma'am, like
altitude.
the Earth
Altitude.
equator is dividing the northern
Every
hemisphere.
time, Karthik, please wait. Now triangle will have how many altitudes?
60.
ma'am, only one.
Ma'am, only one.
Only one altitude, ma'am.
Another
No,
altitude.
ma'am.
3 altitudes.
Ma'am, three altitudes. Ma'am, three. Ma'am, 3 altitudes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 3
So
altitude.
triangle will have how many altitudes?
3 altitudes.
3 altitudes it will have.
Totally 3.
Okay. Now, all the 3 altitudes will they meet at one single point?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. It is known as
Yeah,
concurrent.
definitely.
They will meet,
Definitely
ma'am. The
they
point
will
is
meet.
naming it concurrent, ma'am. Point
Yeah,
of
please, yeah.
concurrent.
Please, I'm not getting the word now concurrent. I'm not involving any word of concurrent here. So just to say me, will all these 3 altitudes, are they meeting at one single point or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Definitely
ma'am.
they meet at one single point.
1 point.
And they're also creating different angles.
So altitude is nothing but it is the shortest distance. It is the shortest distance from the vertex to its opposite side. Okay, because I take one triangle here, I take my altitude even in this way. Is it perpendicular? It is not perpendicular. Why?
Ma'am, because it doesn't divide
it is
anything.
not making 90 degrees angle.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not making, so it is not a perpendicular line. So always the perpendicular line will be the shortest distance of an altitude. Okay, the altitude
Ma'am,
is the
means it-
shortest distance of a triangle meeting its one vertex and its opposite side. Triangle will
means-
have 3 altitudes, and all the 3 altitudes definitely meet at one single point.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all understand till here?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now I am going to explain you about the median.
median. Ma'am, should your laptop a bit down, ma'am?
Next
Yes, ma'am.
topic is about median. Here also we are taking with the triangle only. Take one triangle. Take one triangle and take any of the line. Here I am not saying perpendicular line. Okay. I am saying just a line. Line joining the vertex to its opposite side, but exactly in the middle only. See here. I am taking this triangle CDF. The line joining the vertex to its opposite side, exactly cutting this opposite side in the middle, in the mid of this line segment. Did you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It divides the median. The median
Yes,
will
ma'am.
always, the median will always divides its opposite side into two equal parts. It will cut exactly in the mid of its opposite side. Did you all understand?
Yes,
ma'am.
Now you can ask me, ma'am, what is the difference between altitude and then median?
Ma'am, I too got same doubt.
You two got same doubt. See, suppose I am taking here one more triangle. I am taking
altitude means they will be and they will be
see here. I am taking this triangle. Okay. For this, I am showing the altitude. Okay, this is the altitude. Altitude, is it perpendicular or not, children?
perpendicular, ma'am.
Yeah. Because
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
90 degrees. 90
Ma'am,
degrees.
but that's
Okay, perpendicular. Yes, it is perpendicular. It is making 90 degrees angle. But is this altitude dividing its base into two equal halves?
no.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No. That's why this
altitude means
altitude is
same dividing into
altitude is the perpendicular bisector of any side. It measures the distance between the, it is only the measurement. Altitude is only the measurement between the what. Children, who is that? Please keep on mute. Altitude is, it measures the distance between the vertex and its opposite side. This distance it is measuring, this is called the altitude. Whereas coming to the median,
divides the triangle into two halves.
yeah, whereas median is the line joining the vertex to its opposite side, exactly in the mid of its opposite side.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
means altitude
Ma'am?
means just it will not divide the same, but it's just like
Ma'am, tomorrow also we should join same class, ma'am. Same link.
Yeah. No, I will send the link. I will
Ma'am,
send
time is out. Ma'am.
send. Now, see here.
altitude. Ma'am,
Hence,
altitude means
altitude means it is the distance between the vertex to its opposite side. Whereas median is the it
And it can be
representing, it is
slanted.
showing that whether it is dividing its opposite side in the two equal parts or not. Did you all
Yes, ma'am.
understand?
Medians will be slanted in
median
scalene
is,
triangles, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And medians will always be slanted in scalene triangles.
Next,
median is possible.
Will you take opinions tomorrow?
children, please keep quiet. Now see here. How many medians can you draw in a triangle?
Ma'am, one median, ma'am.
Who is that?
3, ma'am. 3.
3 medians you can draw. You can draw
Ma'am,
3 medians. See here. I am drawing the 3 medians. See, first I draw this median. and I can see that these two parts should be equal. Okay. Now I'm going to draw one more median here. I'm going to draw one more median where this line joining from vertex D to its opposite side CF. Again, these two should be equal in
Equal.
their length. In the same way, I'm drawing from here.
Ma'am, in drawing, we should be careful whether it's dividing into two parts or not.
Two equal parts or not.
Ma'am, it is
So,
only for equilateral.